Hi guys, it's Chanel, and today is Sunday, and I would like to just share with you guys what my service dog eats in a month. So I just have a small little doggy haul that I'm going to share with you. So this is what I buy him. I buy him the Beneful brand. Paxson is very picky with his food. So I buy him the Beneful Incredible Bites for small dogs. So I buy him the dry brand. So we start with a big bag of this, and I break it down into a small container. And then I buy these small cans, okay? These small cans usually come in a container like this. I was looking for the 24 pack, but I couldn't find any, so I just bought two of these, which is okay because then I get to mix the flavors. And then I bought um, two packages of these, just so he can make it through the month. But there is a difference. This one here is the Melanie brand. So with this one, is Mediterranean style. So this is lamb, um, tomatoes, brown rice, and spinach, and it comes with a sauce. And then this one is the Incredible Bites. So this one comes with real beef, tomato, carrots, and wild rice. So the difference is the melodies have a sauce, okay? They come with a sauce. And then the Incredible Bites, they don't have a sauce to them. But they're still moist and tender, and he loves them. So what I do is I take a can each day, and I just split it in half with a spoon, and he gets, I mix half with the dry food, or he won't eat it. Now sometimes in the morning he's a little finicky, and he doesn't want any dry food mixed in. He just wants some of the wet food, which is okay. I just have to make sure that I give him enough. But I also buy these Beneful prepared meals. Now these I actually really like these. This one is the chicken stew. And when I say these are hearty, these are like hearty. This is like a meal I would cook for the house. This one is chicken stew. So it has rice, carrots, peas, and barley. When I tell you there are hearty chunks of meat in here, there is hearty chunks of meat. So he does not get any um, uh, hard food mixed in here. He just gets this alone, and he only gets a portion of it. I do watch his portion size because he is a small dog, so I want him, to be in, correct weight range. So I do watch his portion control. And you guys have seen the video, hopefully, of me making his treats. I don't always make all of his treats, so I do buy some of his treats, and one of his favorites is the Alpone T-bones. These look like little ribeye steaks, and he loves them. They're little, tiny little steaks, and he thinks he's eating a real steak. So he loves these. So I'll treat him with some of those, and he likes these bones. Now, these bones are they have a little filling in them. These are chicken, and then this one is his favorite. This one is peanut butter. He loves peanut butter, this dude. So these are supposed to be long lasting, but not with Paxton. If you give him one, he's gonna eat the whole thing in one sitting. So what I'm going to try to do, if I can, is I'm going to try to cut these in squares. So when he gets them, there'll be portion control in squares instead of him getting the whole thing. Because if you give him the whole thing, he's gonna eat the whole thing in one sitting. He's a little greedy. And he also has these treats here. These are from Trader Joe. He likes these treats, but they're really big, and he's a tiny little guy. So these have to be cut for him, but they're really cute, and they come in different flavors. Some are bacon, some are peanut butter, some are cheese. But they come in different little shapes. Like that one's a little fire hydrant. There's like that one's a little car. So there's a little kitty cat in there. So they come in fun little treats, and he really enjoys them. Sometimes we'll take extras on a walk, and we'll give some to his little doggy friends in the neighborhood, just because there's a lot of them, and I like for him to learn to share. I like to teach him to share his snacks with the other dogs in the neighborhood. So that is what I feed Paxton. This is his monthly little haul. So he eats his Incredibites, which are for small dogs, and then he has his melodies, and they're all by Purina Benefals. And I do, once again, mix them with the dry food. Now this big bag here, this big bag has lasted me, I bought this, I think this is actually, I want to say this is going on my second month. This has lasted me like maybe two and a half months so far. I believe, because like I said, I put portion control with him, so he is eating adequate enough food, but it's just a big bag, and he's just a tiny little guy. So I bought that big bag, and it wasn't that expensive, actually. It was a really good price. So I'm getting my money's worth out of it, and he really likes it. I like Benefals because they use a lot of, if you can see that, they use a lot of peas and carrots, and I think there's another one on here with peas and carrots. The guy really likes his peas. There's one on here. Well, there's one on here that has peas, and when I cook a pot of peas, he'll just eat. I'll give him a bowl, and he'll just eat a pot of sweet peas. So he likes peas a lot. So I just wanted to share with you. If you have a finicky dog, or if you're looking for maybe something new to try for your dog, Benefals has a large selection, and it's not just for small dogs. They have other options. I just get this because my guy is little. Maybe you could give them a try if you like. But thank you for watching, and as always, be good to yourself. Love yourself. Love someone else. Until next time, peace and blessings. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.